Hook, have you ever wondered if you can deposit cash into Relay Bank? It's a question that many people have asked, especially in today's digital age where everything seems to be going cashless. Context: Relay Bank is a popular online bank that offers a wide range of financial services. While they're known for their digital-first approach, there's still a lingering question about whether cash deposits are possible. In this video, we'll dive into the details and answer the burning question: can you deposit cash into Relay Bank? The short answer is no, you cannot deposit cash directly into a Relay Bank account. Unlike traditional banks with physical branches, Relay Bank is primarily designed for digital transactions. Why can't you deposit cash? There are several reasons why Relay Bank doesn't accept cash deposits. Digital-first approach: Relay Bank's core philosophy is to provide a completely digital banking experience. This means that all transactions, including deposits, are carried out online or through their mobile app. Security concerns: handling cash can pose security risks. To minimize these risks and protect their customers' funds, Relay Bank has chosen to focus on digital transactions. Cost efficiency: operating a physical branch network can be expensive. By eliminating the need for branches, Relay Bank can offer lower fees and more competitive interest rates to its customers. Alternative deposit methods: while you can't deposit cash directly, Relay Bank offers several alternative methods for funding your account. Electronic transfers: you can transfer funds from another bank account to your Relay Bank account using online banking or mobile apps. Checks: if you have a check, you can deposit it using Relay Bank's mobile app. Simply take a photo of the front and back of the check, and the funds will be deposited into your account. ATM deposits: in some cases, Relay Bank may have partnerships with ATMs that allow you to deposit cash. However, this is not a universal feature, so it's best to check with your local ATM network. Is Relay Bank right for you? If you're comfortable with digital banking and don't need to deposit cash frequently, Relay Bank could be a great option for you. Their online and mobile app features make it easy to manage your finances and take advantage of competitive rates. Conclusion: so, to answer the original question, can you deposit cash into Relay Bank? The answer is no. However, Relay Bank offers several convenient alternative methods for funding your account, such as electronic transfers, check deposits, and ATM deposits. If you're looking for a digital-first bank with competitive rates and a user-friendly experience, Relay Bank might be worth considering. Call to action: if you're interested in learning more about Relay Bank or opening an account, be sure to check out their website or download their mobile app. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative videos on personal finance and banking. Closing: with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.